Hello everyone, I'm here today with Pernille Button of DesignButton, and she is a building designer. So Pernille, what problem do you solve for your clients?
I'm not so sure that people come to me with problems first up, but what I do create for our clients are comfortable, light-filled homes that feel great to live in. A mentor of mine once said that designing a home, it's like baking a cake. You can take all of the materials or all of the ingredients, you put them together. If you don't do it right, you end up with a brick, no pun.
Yes.
But if you do it right, you end up with a soft sponge cake.
And why would someone want to hire you as a building designer as opposed to some of the other mini building designers around?
What DesignButton offers our clients are the knowledge that we've got, our intellectual property. Passive solar performance for me is pretty much, when we're building new, it's the be and end all. It's where everything starts.
And you also have, you mentioned earlier, have a fine arts background and a graphic design.
I do.
So you're kind of coming from a place of creating beauty in addition to practicality. Would that be a fair statement?
I think beauty and function is what you want for a well-crafted object.
So you're working from the southwest up to Perth?
So our office is located off Hemsley Road in Naturalist between Dunsborough and Yallingup, but half of our work is up in Perth and metropolitan Perth, yes.
Right.
So we travel.
Okay.
Yeah, very happy to do so. My daughter lives up in Perth, so it's a good excuse to come up.
Pernille, what is something that you're passionate about aside from your work?
Oh, I'm passionate about life, and I think my husband and I will run our own business, and in doing so, work becomes a part of life. So it sort of becomes, it's all entrenched. So I think just sustainability, living really well to be the best that we can be while we're here on this planet. Horses, motorbikes, dogs, my daughter, my husband. He's very handsome.
Great.
Right, I think we can cut that out.
I thought that part was fabulous. Yes.
I'll leave that one with you guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I really like Pernille, and I think you will too.